pants are a great example of a piece that like I want to love, but I just don't, not yet at least. I think it's primarily just the elastic on the ankle. When I sit down wearing them, they tend to get stuck on the calf, and then they're like stay stuck on the calf when I walk around, and it's like an awkward, not super great look. So I think maybe I'll just start by taking out the elastic on the calf and see the elastic that's supposed to be on the ankle but ends up on my calf, and see if that works. I feel like if I was shorter or the pants were longer, it would work, but they're just like not big enough to make elastic make sense there. I really like the way they look on the waist and the thighs, so I'm hoping that I can make something work.
I started by ripping out the stitches along the ankle. It wasn't just an elastic casing. The stitches actually went through the elastic itself, so it was a little bit painstaking, but I prefer to look at these things as meditative. This didn't damage the elastic at all, so I'll save it and use it in another project. Stay tuned for that. The hem had been folded once about a half an inch, and then again about an inch to encase the elastic. I pressed open the inch fold, but left that half an inch fold so that I could use it for a new hem. Once things were pressed and therefore a little easier to work with, I opened up that half-inch fold just to trim off the edges, which were really frayed and messy. I then took the pants back to my ironing board and folded that half-inch fold onto itself so that all the raw edges were hidden away, and pressed and pinned that in place. At my sewing machine, I sewed that double fold in place, creating a new clean hem.